Hello everyone, welcome to Applied Forensic Science for Justice Student Group. I am Amita Shaini. Today I am going to talk on the topic Basic Principles and Techniques of Black and White and Color Photography. Topics to be covered are what is photography, principle of photography, black and white photography, color photography, principle and techniques of black and white and color photography, significance of photography. First and foremost, we'll discuss about what is photography. First, photography is derived from a Greek word photos means light and graphy means drawing. It is the art, science and practice of creating durable images by recording light either by means of a light sensitive material such as photographic film. In simple language, we could easily say that photography is drawing with light. Now we'll discuss about principle of photography. Photography. Photography is based upon law of reciprocity, which states that how much amount of light intensity is used and duration covered to make an exposure. It describes the relation between shutter speed and aperture for exposure. Black and white photography. Black and white photography. Black and white photography is also known as monochrome photography. Mono means single and chrome means color. This technique captures the image by using a single color. Black and white photography technique captures the image containing tones of neutral gray, describing the range between black to white. Black and white photography is considered as more subtle, interpretive and less realistic. Usually this technique is used for capturing the latent prints. Color photography. Color photography. This color photography technique is used to capture image by reproducing it in different colors. Here, to reproduce a colorful image, electronic sensors are used which records the color information by mixing the original color like red, green and blue. This color photography technique helps to get a clear picture of the image and helps to get its exact location. The next topic is principles and techniques of white and black and color photography. There are 6 principles. They are: first, alter your mind; second, contrast; third, tonality; fourth, shape; fifth, texture; sixth is simplicity. First principle is alter your mind. Photography should be done in such a way that after observing the material, both black and white and color photographs should be taken in a clear way without ignoring anything. The second principle is contrast. Photographs should be done according to the contrast to capture each and every minute material. It is done by clicking both the black and white and color images. The third one is tonality. It is simply an adjustment of the image according to the shades. The next, fourth one is shape. Shapes give an identity of an object which gets captured in the image or photograph. Strong shapes scream to be photographed in black and white because it gives a deep description of the photograph. The fifth one is texture. It is one of the most important element which enhances the image. It gives the characteristic appearance of the surface or material having the tactile quality. The last principle is simplicity. Simple photography should be done, that is overview photography, mid-range and close-up shots, because all kind of photographs that we take in our daily routine life may misplace the evidence and become a big problem for us. We have gone through all the 6 principles of black and white and color photography. Now we'll look upon the significance of photography. Usually, photography is done to record the crime scene, associated area of the crime scene, and the physical evidences present at the crime scene. It is to record the initial appearances of the physical evidences and the crime scene. Photography technique is done to prevent the misplacing of evidences. For example, sometimes these physical evidences may get altered from the crime scene, but they may get captured in the photography. That's why, for the documentation purpose, we are following this photography technique, as we need to present all these evidences to the court of law. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the video.